Today I'll show you how to use Google Forms with Gemini. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. Gemini in Google Forms is mainly designed to help you create forms faster and improve questions, rather than replace the whole form building process. Google says, you can use Gemini to create a brand new form with the Help Me Create a Form feature, generate questions for an existing form, and analyze text responses through Google Sheets. Google also notes that these features require an eligible Google Workspace or Google AI plan. They roll out gradually, and form creation with Gemini is currently available on desktop. To get started, open Google Forms on your computer. If Gemini is available on your account, look for the option called Help Me Create a Form. Google says you can enter a prompt describing the kind of form you want, and Gemini can generate a new form draft for you. You can also create forms from files already in Google Drive, including Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and PDFs, which is helpful if you already have information prepared and want Gemini to turn it into a form more quickly. Now let's say you already started a form manually. Google also offers a Suggest Questions feature in Google Forms. Google says that to generate questions with Gemini, your form needs at least 2 questions already in it. After that, you can ask Gemini for suggested questions, review what it creates, and insert the ones you want. If the first batch does not look right, Google says you can retry and generate a new set of suggestions. Here's another useful part of the workflow. Once people begin submitting answers, Gemini can also help you summarize and analyze text responses, but Google says this happens in Google Sheets. According to Google, Gemini can identify and group common themes from Google Forms text responses in Sheets, and this feature works best when there are about 8 to 200 responses. If there are more than 200 responses, Google says the theme generation option becomes unavailable. One more thing to remember is that availability depends on your account type. Google says these Gemini features are tied to eligible Google Workspace or Google AI plans, so not every personal Google account will see the same options right away. Google also notes that some of these tools are still rolling out gradually, which means 2 users may open Google Forms on the same day and still see different Gemini features. So, in simple terms, the easiest way to use Google Forms with Gemini is to open Forms on a computer, use Help Me Create a Form to build a draft, use Suggest Questions to improve or expand it, and then use Gemini in Google Sheets to analyze text responses after people start submitting the form. And that's how to use Google Forms with Gemini. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.